In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Discord email. Before we begin, make sure you can log into your Discord account and that you have access to the inbox of the new email address you want to use. You'll also need your current Discord password to confirm the change. Having everything ready will make the process quick and smooth. Start by opening Discord and signing in. You can use the desktop app or the web version. The steps are the same. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the window. Next to your username and avatar, there's a small gear icon labeled User Settings. Click that to open your account settings. Inside User Settings, go to the My Account section. This is where your basic account information lives, including your current email address. Find the email field and click Edit. Depending on your version, this might appear as an edit button beside the email or an edit link next to the address itself. You'll now be able to type your new email address. Enter it carefully and double-check for typos, because Discord will send a verification message to that exact address. To confirm the change, Discord will also ask for your current password. This is a security step to make sure it's really you making the change. Enter your password and then click Save or Done to submit. At this point, Discord has recorded the new email, but the change isn't complete yet. Open a new tab or your mail app and check the inbox of the email you just entered. Look for a message from Discord with a verification link. Open that email and click the verification link to finalize the update. This step is essential. Without verification, the email change won't be completed. If you don't see the message right away, give it a couple of minutes and check your spam or junk folder. Also, make sure your mailbox isn't filtering automated emails. Once you click the link, you'll get a confirmation that your Discord email has been updated successfully. From now on, use your new email when you sign in or recover your account. If you ever run into issues, retracing these steps usually solves it quickly. Open Discord, go to User Settings, My Account, edit your email, confirm with your password, save, and verify through the email link. That's it. Simple, secure, and done. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider checking out more guides like this to keep your accounts up to date and secure.